Hi, this is Mitch Standerand, epidemiologist at Lorain County Public Health. At Lorain County Public Health, we are working to slow the spread of COVID-19. One way we can do this is through contact tracing. When we get a call confirming a positive case in Lorain County, our team reaches out to that person with the confirmed diagnosis. We work with that case to identify their close contacts. Contacts are people who the case had close interactions with while they had symptoms. This helps us to identify who has potentially been exposed to the COVID-19 virus. The next step is to reach out to the identified close contacts. These contacts are instructed to self-quarantine at their home and are actively monitored for symptoms by a team of our public health nurses. People who do not develop symptoms in the 14-day period are released from quarantine. Contacts who do develop symptoms within the 14-day period have their quarantine extended until they are symptom-free for 72 hours. If they are tested and are positive, they become a new case. So the process starts again and we trace their contacts by following the same steps. Sometimes there are missed contacts. These may be people that we cannot find or cannot identify. Sometimes a person with COVID-19 may not recall that they had close contact with someone. These missed contacts can sometimes spread the COVID-19 virus unknowingly. Without contact tracing, there can be uncontrolled COVID-19 spread within the community. Here we have a community that is well connected. People may be neighbors, relatives, share carpools to school and sports, or work at the same business. When COVID-19 first appears in a community, only a few households may have the disease. These infected households may spread the COVID-19 to their neighbors and contacts. This happens through normal interactions within the community. As COVID-19 moves through a community, it can affect businesses. Within the business, workers can spread the disease to each other and bring it back to their homes. With uncontrolled spread, it does not take long before the virus is everywhere. The actions Lorain County Public Health takes around contact tracing slows the spread of COVID-19. In the same community, with the same connections, initial cases appear. When the first cases appear, Lorain County Public Health is notified. We work with the first case to identify contacts. As we trace contacts, we begin to quarantine and isolate potential cases for a 14-day period. We also work to identify businesses that could be potentially affected as well. With these quarantine and isolation efforts, we can work to slow the spread of the virus. It is important to remember that we can never stop the spread completely, but we can slow it down, giving our healthcare systems a chance to prepare and respond.